We've just amped up your typical lemonade stand and taken all our favorite summer flavors like ice cream, strawberry, lemonade, and put it into one really awesome granita. You guys gotta make this, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's go do it. So to me, summer equals lemonade. You just can't have summer go by without drinking some lemonade. We've added strawberries to this, some ice cream, which is another classic summer staple, and all together, it is so good. So basically what we're doing is just mashing these strawberries. It's kind of the fun part. So if you want to get your friends involved, mash it all up. And this is going to give those little speckles of red throughout the granita. Simple as that. All right, that's it. Now, to this, we're going to add our pink lemonade mix. It was right in there. And some water. So we're basically making lemonade here. And just give that a little mix around. So good. And then what makes it kind of creamy and dreamy and oh so yummy is the ice cream. And you want it to be kind of melty because we're gonna mix it all in together. Yum. Okay. So we're just gonna mix this around now and get all that ice cream kind of mashed into the mixture. And it does not look like much now, I know. But you just wait. It's gonna be so good. All right, perfect. That looks good. We'll pop this in the freezer, and then once it's all set up, we'll scrape it and bring it out to our guests. Okay, this is so exciting. We have granita, everyone. You're gonna love this. I would say if you're doing a lemonade stand and you wanna make this summer, sell this at your lemonade stand because people will be so excited to have something new and different. But this is my favorite part, is just scraping it. And look how pretty, because you have that ice cream in there, it really scrapes off so nicely and easily. It looks so pretty, and I love how pink it is. All right, let's serve it up. Have my bowl. Oh, look at that, it's so fluffy and airy. All right. How pretty is that? Just give it a try. Yum. That is so good. I love that you could crunch on it. Unlike ice cream that's super smooth, this has that texture, that little ice crystal throughout. So perfect, so great for summer entertaining. You gotta try this. I'm getting out to the pool. Bye guys.